am to una. The person say I can't see the belle. That is the belle wey dem dey talk say Emmanuela get. The belle no dey come out. The person say you no see the belle. So the Emmanuela come reply say I'm not. Hello there, my beautiful people. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. Yes, I'm back again with another gbas. Emmanuela reply the rumor where they go on say she get email bouquet. She get belle. And then this video na 2-in-1 video. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your bell notification for more videos. Now, the second part of this video now, the woman with the catch yesterday with her neighbor. So other people, they get mixed feeling of wetin dey happen, their own opinion. I did a video, what I think, the way they take do the woman. I no support the woman. I know say it's good for her to dey cheat. I even talk am yesterday say it will be better for her to comot for the house, go do wetin she wan do as instead of her to dey on top the man head dey do am. So Mr. Jollof dropped this video some hours ago, probably about wetin he think about women these days, which I go put at the end of this video so I no go bore una. Now, Emmanuela matter. I know say most of una don hear say she get belle, where people talk about she getting pregnant that time. I actually wan do the video, but I'm not really dey sure, you know. I don't know nothing about Emmanuela wey even show say she get belle. I check her posts, I check her videos, like even though say na small pikin, her belle fit hide inside her. Very, very possible. I try to check. The pikin no strike me like pikin wey get belle. Mark Angel, they go put comment for Mark comment section. Mark no confirm whether she get belle or not. Like that time when the matter rain, me I try to check, at least make I dey sure a little bit say this pikin even get belle at all before I make my video. But no, until when somebody can send her this message, I'll put it there. And I will see say na Emmanuela official, her Instagram page, now reply this message. That's why I dey bring am to una. The person say I can't see the belle. That is the belle where they talk say Emmanuela get. The belle no dey come out. The person say you no see the belle. So the Emmanuela can reply say I'm not pregnant, as you can see. That must have been a rumor. If you heard so, like if you hear something like that, maybe na rumor, because as you can see, me no get belle. That na wetin Emmanuela talk. I know they tell una say the pikin no fit lie you, because say na still teenager, like young girl. It possible say if she even get belle, say she go cover am. But Emmanuela she no dey hide. I don't know wetin I wan put am. She no hide. She still dey go out. She still dey do like Emmanuela of before. So if she dey hide pregnancy, probably her movement go limit, her post go limit, everything go limit. Emmanuela no change their posts. Her post for Instagram, the way she take the post, it still remain the same. If she get something which she want post, she go post them, including her. She still dey dress normal the way she take the dress before. And I know say Emmanuela no be fancy teenager. She still dey the way she dey. Nothing change. So I know they tell una say Emmanuela no fit lie, but they tell una say Emmanuela say she is not pregnant. So I go drop now with the other part of this video, that is Mr. Jollof version of this video, and I go see you now for my next video. Now bye bye.
Many of all these modern women, they don't want the ass again. That is the gospel truth. Many don't want the ass again. They want you to use mental health, take come up from marriage. They don't born 1 or 2 children. They okay with the baby mama level. They fuck the waka. Not true. Now they happen now. But notwithstanding, so women, they suffer from abuse for marriage. And if you just raise your hand, knock woman, my own ideology, as you don't knock the woman, make the woman you come on the marriage, because the day when you go raise your hand, knock you can't look at her love. The next day go kill you. That is just the gospel truth. But so they not they knock them, nothing, they not they beat them. Oh. Now they remove the problem for the marriage. Oh. When they not tired, many married women now they go doing yash now. I don't know the matter. Many married women now, so first of all, a complex issue they worry some of them. Because they still say their husband now they carry all the girls when they do yash now. They won't go do yash too. Even as you do the yash, your husband they carry the girl when the yash still big past your yash. You like you do yash, do breast, do lip. Eh? Man won't want theirs, go theirs. Some of all these married women, as you see them now, so many of them when they there now, so you see many not the wear brazier again now. Now mental health they go put for front. So you put mental health for front. Say they won't protect their mental health. So and what you do? So you see married woman. So married woman they go doing and showing. They come Instagram call the twerk. Who you they twerk for? No, who you they twerk for now? Because this talk, we need to just talk and make the common ground. Your husband never get work. Yeah, they just drop your husband for work. You never reach 1 year or 2 years. You not feel beer. You don't talk to the man in here. The next thing, you don't talk mental health. Mental health, so you not cut to so far. You not cut to this, so you not cut to that. So that's what it be. These are the problem. Some the men self, when not even they try to protect the woman mental health. When I not go try to protect the woman mental health, sometimes when I not go communicate with my wife. When I not say ask no good all this kind of things, still talk. You not get work, still talk. Communicate with your wife, make you know, make she still get hope. Ha! You just the pressure. We know say the pressure not easy. Pressure, you just quiet. The woman, you keep the woman in the dark. Before you see that the woman will come out, the friends they go party, the friends that they live where, the husband, you see the husband don't buy a villa, all those guys, the woman friends they update. You know about pressure. The woman will say you want to protect your mental health, so you don't come out for marriage. So maybe they walk up, pium. Excuse me. Now put mental health for front. Now divorce be like water. Marriage now plan B for many women now. Marriage now plan B. Not even the way our parents that time they'll say, when you don't go school finish as a woman, you don't the work small, you go find man come in, don't marry, all this kind of level. Now women don't think of marriage now. Some they won't just born one pikin, maybe they'll be baby mama. Now some dream not to be baby mama. They don't want to enter any man. So the way prick hungry they go test different prick and different size. Nobody say they just log themselves down, the test one prick. Some women, if they're quick married, they come up for the life. As they don't do the marriage now, they come like say the husband is slow. They need to protect their mental health. They don't put mental health for front. So they need to come out the marriage with the pikin. They feel they blast to outside. Many men now they push on our wife. They carry mental health, they put for front. You talk, just yeah. Mental health. It's another problem now. If you look social media now, everything they see now, they read now. Mental health, my happiness. I think shut up. I shower your eye. Prick the hungry you. You know your husband, so they shout mental health. You know how many mental health your mama suffer. Now put mental health for front. Mental health. Divorce be like water now. If you ask person when your wife married 3 months ago, they'll say, oh, but they're not sure. Divorce be like water. If you don't want marry, don't marry. If you don't enter inside the business of marriage, pain. Just pain. But if the man they beat you, fly. I know they advise domestic violence. Discharge. Some men, the woman don't enter inside the matter finish now. So you woman now, you don't see the man they also call get the way it be normally. Marriage now for better for worst. You like you don't know what to be the worst though. better for worst. I know the rake or anything, they don't be like say at the top. As at 2015, 2016, my business went down. I was dead broke. Very broke. Once. Dead, as in dead, very as in dead, broke, rich everywhere. My wife will work for bank then. We manage ourselves. Today not be us there. For our 3 bedroom we stay for. Today not be we get full house today. So everything not be we save. And my wife get everything. You don't understand? Because all the work when I don't work for now, so I not call it for this drag. Who are the drag party for? All the work when I work, not be the woman I go give. All those things they give them value. Because they want the drag gas paper, all this thing. I won't die leave theirs. I won't carry the ass go heaven. Everything when they work for belongs to my wife and my children. That is marriage. You go see some men and I just get small Lexus when I reach 13 million. How much be 13 million in dollars? First, your 13 million in dollars, if I be calculate, not reach $20,000. You know the whole strong. Now my motto, Akbar. As you they shine every day, now your wife, your family is supposed to be the reflection of you. Your family is supposed to shine. You want to shine, then your family go to super. Some of you now, you are your husband and wife now get one motor now. Go say more wife the entire keke. You are a bastard as a man. You are a bastard. You carry person picky call me the entire keke dead chap. Me your wife enter Okada. Me your wife enter boss. And you say I get one keke guy when I go just shatter the keke we go to carry my wife. Are you normal? Who you dey work for? Your wife not gonna know your balance. You know your wife does not even know anything, your income or nothing. She doesn't know anything about you. Little things matter. Be your family, be your wife. Your wife might be your TYC. She's supposed to know everything about you because she been there. They hear the one from I be man, Ajikipalo end. I be man, Ajikipalo end. When you reach us, you're supposed to comport yourself. See many women, many young girls, you'll see 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Look what I look from 25 years to 35 years now. Look at the rate of divorce. Look at the rate of divorce. Some women on her head not correct on the normal day. On her head not correct. As when I don't enter the marriage, because now big things some of them don't time to enter the marriage. If you don't reason the boy, papa, or reason the boy pocket, or the boy don't like you. Because they must lie give una before they will feel fuck una. If they talk truth, una not go feel want settle down with the boy. If they tell una say na so it be lie. They must lie give una for una to say okay, man, I'm not poor for this one. Una don't put it inside the thing, not the go as plan. Una come mental health. Na mental health na couple for front. Nonsense. If you tell your wife you can't balance, it not mean say you give her the money. If you say you normally you must settle us. Say 500,000 corner. You must carry the children first. Put 50,000. If you earn 500,000 a month, put 50,000 for your children account first. If you get 2 children, give your wife 100,000, make yours stay look good. Put 100,000 for us, make her stay do all right. The remaining 200, you know understand. If you be man, we say okay, you want to save. Like me, I know they save. As I don't give my children their own, give my wife their own, give them maybe they do for us. All those diesel, all those kind of things from that 200. That will take the settle us. Then the remaining one, I shop pan. I'm not taking on myself now. Is everybody not alright? Everybody is alright. And the people when I tell them who they verse me. No, the rate of divorce in this country and the name mental health is becoming a problem. Before you see now, a lot of people go to commit suicide. But this thing a national issue. Mental health. Until go call mental health. And I prick down ground. You don't see one small boy now without carrying iron. Chest all day. You don't look at your husband when you marry people for us. He get big belly. You don't see chest. You like chest. You define prick. You say na mental health you put for front. Say, oh, my husband, he does not work hard. And now the boy will you see where they carry iron. I don't the day you are. Ashawo. Abeg, una good night, abeg. Mental health problem tire person.